Hello and welcome to the Innovation Zone portal. My name's Brenda Patterson-Seeger. I'm one of the developers who worked alongside Steve Parker in creating the website. So as you can see, this is a website with information about CPHI, the innovations and how to get in touch. Exhibitors would use this to log in and upload their data, and that's going to be the product data that's going to be displayed in the tablets within the Innovation Zone at CPHI Worldwide. They'd log in using their exhibitor kit details, so they've already got their user ID and password at this point when they've got the link to this portal. So first of all, they'd log in with their exhibitor kit user ID and password. I'm going to use a test user ID and password. So they'd simply sign in. And first of all, they're going to see a welcome message saying welcome to whoever the user is, and just a brief description about the website. They then click OK and they'll be taken to the dashboard. Now this is the dashboard where they can add products, so they may want to add more than one product, but I'm going to take you through the steps of adding one product for now. So here, they click here to add a product. They'll be taken to the About page where they can put some brief descriptions about the product and add the images for the product and the company logo and 3D model that's going to be displayed on the tablet. So here we'll just write briefly the product name. So I'm going to use soft gels because the company I'm using as an example creates soft gels for ingestion. So I'm going to say soft gels aid ingestion, and the company name I'm using BASF as an example. So here is the ticker text, and the ticker text is the text that's going to be displayed when the tablet is idle. So, for example, if there's no customer using the tablet and viewing products, we still want to display the product and some information about it to get the maximum usage of the tablets in the innovation area. So when people are walking past, they'll actually see the 3D model rotating on the screen and some text going across the screen. So here they can be as brief as they like. So I'm just going to type down briefly about soft gels. And then they can add their company logo. So they can click on there or drag and drop an actual company logo. And then they can add the actual product image, which would be the soft gels image. And then here they can add the actual 3D model, which would be a CAD file. So that would either be a .dwg file or a .obj file. If they don't have a CAD file to give to us, they can supply just a normal PNG image, and we'll accept that and we can display that for them. So here I'm going to add this .dwg file. And that's been uploaded. I'd then save. And there you can see the first product's been added, and that's the soft gel. So on the tablet itself, when customers are viewing the product, there'll be a product menu which they can go in and view informational videos, white papers, galleries, and take part in a quiz. So we wanted to replicate that here. So here there's a little menu so the user can actually go in and upload a video. So they can do it in the same way that they added the images. So here's the .mp4 video that they can just upload. They can remove that and re-upload another one if they choose to do so. And next I'll show you how they add white papers. You simply go into this screen, upload a new white paper. So they'll drop in a PDF, type in a title. Okay, soft gel white paper would probably be better. And so they'd be able to save that white paper. That will appear here. They can go in and edit if they need to. So that's how the edit page would look. It's just basically the same page as when they're adding a white paper. They can go in and edit it. I'm not going to really edit anything at the moment, so go back. So that white paper's been added. They can go in and delete, or they can upload another one if they like. So go back to home, and the next on the list is the gallery. So this is the image gallery. They can go in and add an image. So I'm going to add these purple soft gels. Create that, and you can see an image there. They can upload more images, so I'll just show you how it looks like when images are added. They'll just appear side by side. Those soft gels. So that's created. They could add more if they like. They can edit them, delete them. And then last of all, the quiz. So this is just to add some interactivity to the innovation product. They can go in and the exhibitor can create a question of their own, and it would be a multiple choice type of question, so they can add different answers, and they can highlight which is the correct answer, so that when the customer is going through and answering, they'll be able to know whether they've chosen the correct answer or not. Save that question. I could go in and edit that and put a different answer in here, or just change the question and save. They can go in and delete that or add more questions if they need to. So that's the basics of how to use the site. It doesn't get more complicated than that really. They can add a new product, do the exact same thing to that. So that's basically it. It's simple to use, and again they're logging in with a user ID and password that they already know, so it's just quite simple. We can add a wizard to this with little pop-ups when they first log in, just to tell them to click here to add a new product, or click on the product image to then proceed to add the different menu items into there. So that's it. Thank you for listening, and I hope I've made it clear enough on how to use the Innovation Zone portal. Thank you.